Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve a question from series topic, and this question has two sub-questions. So let us start with the first sub-question now. An arithmetic progression has first term 2 and common difference d. The sum of first n terms is denoted by Sn. It is given that S2 minus 1, S4, S9 are the first three terms of a second arithmetic progression. Find the value of d. So let us try to understand the question here. We have been given two arithmetic progressions. In the first arithmetic progression, the first term is given as 2 and the common difference is given as d, and the sum of first n terms is denoted by Sn. So here we have written arithmetic progression 1 whose first term a is equal to 2 and the common difference is d, and the sum of n terms is denoted as Sn. Now a second arithmetic progression is given whose first three terms are given as S2 minus 1, S4 and S9. So the first three terms of the second AP are given in terms of their sum. Now here we need to find out the value of common difference d. That is the common difference of the first AP. Now we know that the formula for sum of first n terms of an AP is given by the formula n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d, where n represents the position of the term, a is the first term of the sequence, and d is the common difference. Now using the terms of the second arithmetic progression, let us find out the value of S2, S4 and S9 for the first arithmetic progression. So here using this formula we have written S2, where n value is equal to 2, is equal to 2 over 2 times 2 times a is 2, so we get 2 times 2 plus n minus 1 becomes 2 minus 1 times d. Now 2 divides itself, that is 2 1 times is 2 and 2 1 times is 2. So here we get 2 times 2 as 4 plus 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 times d gives us d. So we get S2 as 4 plus d. Now since we are looking for S2 minus 1, we are going to subtract 1 from both the sides of the equal to sign. So we get S2 minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 1 gives us 3 plus d. On a similar basis, using the same formula, let us find out the value of S4. So here we get S4 is equal to n becomes 4, so we get 4 over 2 times 2 times 2 plus n minus 1 becomes 4 minus 1 times d. Now 2 divides 4, that is 2 1 times is 2 and 2 2 times is 4. So we get 2 times, now 2 times 2 is 4 plus 4 minus 1 gives us 3. So 3 times d. Now expanding this bracket, we get the value of S4 as 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times plus 3d gives us plus 6d. Now finally let us find out S9. So here we get S9 is equal to, now n is equal to 9, so 9 over 2 times 2 plus n minus 1 becomes 9 minus 1 times d. Now simplifying this we get 9 over 2 times, now 2 times 2 is 4 plus 9 minus 1 gives us 8 times d. Now this 2 is a common denominator for 4 and 8 as well. So here we can write 9 times, now inside the bracket we can write it as 4 over 2 plus 8d over 2. So basically 2 divides 4, that is 2 1 times is 2 and 2 2 times is 4. And here 2 divides 8, that is 2 1 times is 2 and 2 4 times is 8. Now expanding this bracket, we get S9 is equal to 9 times 2 is 18 plus 9 times 4 is 36d. Now once we have got these values, let us use the second arithmetic progression over here. Since these three terms are the first three terms of the second arithmetic progression, they will have the common difference, that is the difference of the second term minus the first term will be equal to the difference of the third term minus the second term. So here we have written S4 minus S2 minus 1 is equal to S9 minus S4. Now let us take the S4 terms on one side of the equal to sign. So this minus S4 comes on the left hand side and it gets added with S4, giving us 2 times S4 is equal to S9. Now this term is taken on the other side of equal to sign. So minus becomes plus S2 minus 1. Now let us plug in the values of S4, S9 and S2 minus 1, which we have got over here. So 2 times S4 is 8 plus 60 is equal to S9 we have got here as 18 plus 3060. So here we have written 18 plus 3060 plus S2 minus 1 we have got here as 3 plus D. Now expanding this bracket we get 2 times 8 as 16 plus 2 times 60 as 12D is equal to, now 18 plus 3 gives us 21 plus 3060 plus D gives us 37D. Now let us gather the like terms. So let us take 12D on the other side of equal to sign, and at the same time let us take 21 on the left hand side. So here we get 37D minus 12D is equal to 16 minus 21. Now 37 minus 12 gives us 25D is equal to 16 minus 21 is minus 5. Now dividing both the sides by 25, we get the common difference D as negative 5 over 25. Now 5 divides 25, that is 5 1 times is 5 and 5 5 times is 25. So the common difference of the first AP we get here is negative 1 over 5. So this is going to be our answer. Hence find the difference between the values of the 15th terms of the two arithmetic progressions. So basically here we need to find out the values on the 15th positions of the two arithmetic progressions and find their difference. Now here in the first arithmetic progression, the first term was given as 2 and we got the common difference as negative 1 over 5. And in the second arithmetic progression, the terms are represented as their sum. So we need to find out their values first. But before we can find out the terms of the second arithmetic progression, let us find out the 15th term of the first arithmetic progression. And the formula we are going to use here is nth term of an AP formula. And the formula is given as an is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d, where an is the nth term of an AP, n represents the position, a is the first term of an AP, and d is the common difference. Now here, since we need to find out the 15th term, n is going to be 15. So here we have written a15 is equal to a is 2. So 2 plus n minus 1 becomes 15 minus 1 times the common difference we had got is negative 1 over 5. Now simplifying this, we get the value of 15th term of the first arithmetic progression as negative 4 over 5, or writing it as a decimal, we get is negative 0.8. Now let us find out the values of the first three terms of the second AP, starting with S2 minus 1, which is the first term. So the first term, that is, we are considering S2 minus 1 as A, and we had got the value as 3 plus D in the previous part of this question. So here we get 3. Now D represents common difference and we had got its value as negative 1 over 5. So 3 minus 1 over 5 gives us the first term of the second arithmetic progression as 14 over 5. Now let us find out the second term of this arithmetic progression. So we had got S4 as 8 plus 6D. So here we get 8 plus 6 times the common difference is negative 1 over 5. So we get the value of the second term, that is S4, as 34 over 5. Now let us find out the last term of this arithmetic progression, which is S9. So the third term S9 we had got was 18 plus 36D. So we get 18 plus 36 times D value is negative 1 over 5. So this is going to give us the value of S9 as 54 over 5. Now we have got the first three terms of the second arithmetic progression as 14 over 5, 34 over 5 and 54 over 5. So let us find out the common difference of the sequence generated now. So here to find out the common difference, I have taken the second term minus the first term. So 34 over 5 minus 14 over 5 is going to give us the value as 20 over 5, which is equal to 4. Now once we have got the common difference and the first term of the second arithmetic progression, using the same formula, we are going to find out the 15th term of the second arithmetic progression. So here we have written A15 is equal to the first term of the sequence is 14 over 5 plus n minus 1 becomes 15 minus 1 times the common difference is 4. So this gives us the 15th term of the second arithmetic progression as 58.8. Thus, since we need to find out the difference between the values of the two arithmetic progressions, we are going to take here the higher value minus the lower value. So this is going to give us the difference as 58.8 minus 0.8, giving us the value as 59.6. So this is going to be our answer. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out this playlist where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.